from a secret location here. Oh, but hey, me and a guy was talking, and actually, this could be part 2 of my one video called The Agenda. Part 2. Okay. Check this out. Now, if you don't know what an agenda is, look the definition up. Check this out. I know there's a bunch of crazies gonna come in the comment talking crazy. But you know me. I'm ready for anything. A lot of stuff that happens here don't just happen. It be a master plan. There be a plan. I can rhyme. There's be a plan against man by man. By greedy man. By man that can't control all man. So he decided to make a master plan. Okay. This invasion on Ukraine. Yep, I can rewind a little more. Remember when the Haitians tried to come over here? They were forced back by horseback and bulldozers and anything else. Not because they had crime in their life. Everybody have crime. Every whatever the word is every nation. Is that the word? No, it ain't the word. Could be. Oh, let me see. Just go back simple term. Every group of people have some violence in their group. My thought is the Haitians wasn't going to be so easy to control if you let them in. But here come the Ukrainians, real close to Russia, being helped by other nations. Let's get them on in here. Let's bring them on in. Yeah. All them in by the boatload, the plane load. There's some that's probably 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes up the road that got dropped off here in Mississippi. Okay? What is going to happen is, when you come here, you're not under your own control anymore. I told y'all this is not the land of the free. This is the land of the sheep. Sheeple. Okay? So, alright. They come here, they put them in a little camp. And they do like they normally do other races other than Africa. They let them open businesses. Tax free. Come on, tax free for a certain amount of time. And then what they do is they trade it hand to hand to hand to hand to hand to family members, so they'll never have to pay taxes. But that's something else. They let them come here. Now, trust me, I ain't hating on none of them for the reason of that. None of that. Because one of the crabbiest peoples here are black people. They will say, they coming here stealing our job, taking. I ain't stealing, taking shit from you. Your ass is giving it up. Get out there and get it like they got out there and get it. I mean, they was given a spoon with something on it, but everything that everybody got ain't given to them. They go out and get it. They go out and make it. You got rich whites, blacks, green, browns out there. You have them. All of them wasn't made. Some of them was got out there and from the mud came up. Alright? So can't hear none of that. The man, they, no. No. There is somebody that will try to hold you back. You got to overcome him. As you can see, there have been some overcome. Go as far as the man inside the White House. Regardless of how many strings he had on him, he was still in the White House. Something that would have been thought of. Go back to, not you yuppies. Well, yeah, your yuppies, yeah. Not your Generation X and your other ones. Go back further, in the 70s and back. Do you think that would have ever been something feasible? No. Not even as the vice side. You hardly had one just in there. You had to have that token. That they don't even know if they make tokens anymore. But back in our days, we had tokens. You had a whole group, and you had to have one token. He's a black guy. Now, they got the guys over here, the Afghanistans, however you want to say it. They here. And I ain't seen no business with them over yet. What are they doing? Well, what we talked about was when it comes to gun grabbing time, they gonna come grab your guns. With the help of the rankiest part of our armed forces, National Guard. They always say the National Guard do shit jobs, you know that, right? Look at the tag that with the National Guard on it. He don't even stand at the right attention on the tag. He got some stupid stance. When it's a flood, send the National Guard over there. When some people need to be held back, we send in the National Guards. When it's some real fighting, oh, get the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines. Yeah. So, they gonna get the National Guard, they gonna go get some Afghanistans, and they gonna huddle them up in a little truck, and they gonna be like, alright, you go there, and get these people guns. If they're unruly, it's just gonna have to be taken out. It's part of the chess game. Right? They gonna have to be taken out, or you gonna have to be taken out. And there's gonna be a lot of you getting taken out because you gonna think you can beat the Army. You can talk all you want. Pride from your dead hand, cold hands. My family, you don't give a shit about your family if you go to try to shoot at or Army. You're not Rambo. So, just think about a lot of this stuff. The people that think that you could be crazy for thinking stuff like this, just think reality. They always say that a lot of places gonna come together and take down the U.S. They are forming right now. All these people don't like us. There is a stake in this place too. This country has a lot of stuff that they want, and their money is keeping it here because they pretty much own most of us. China, Japan, Switzerland. Everybody, we done borrow money from everybody. We that man that I was talking about at the gas station begging, hey mister, that's us. Hey China, hey Japan, we that guy. Y'all follow that guy. Everything the U.S. tell you is what you go for. Ooh, yeah. You're ignorant. You are ignorant. You are ignorant. What is supposed to follow? Follow your heart. Do what's for you and your family. You know what I'm saying? Don't go out being a cheerleader. With that being said, y'all, just think about what I said. Whether you let it absorb or not, just think about it. Discuss it with somebody. Share this video with somebody. Like this video or dislike it. Do something. Don't just sit there. Make your view count. Like they tell you about your vote, make your vote count. Make your view count. Thumb it up or thumb it down. Leave a good comment or a bad comment. Make your voice, your vote, your like, your dislike, make it count. But best of all, hit the subscribe button or none of it counts.